Hello students, this is my next session of online classes. In today's online class, I will discuss chapter 14 of 6th class and name of the chapter is electricity. Students, this is very interesting chapter and I will show you different examples of electricity by which electric current used in our houses. Students, in these diagrams, these are some examples in which electricity consumed and you all see these examples in your houses. These are electric iron, television, microwave, laptop, fan. These are all examples which you have seen in your houses. In addition to these examples, lighting our homes and offices, this is also an example of electricity in which electric current used, and this electricity produced in power stations from where it reaches our homes and offices through cables and wires. I will define it. So students, we can define the term electricity. Electricity is a form of energy which is transportable and can be controlled. This is the definition of electricity. And students, in addition to this definition of electricity, I will explain you all things that run on electricity have electric current passing through them. Any device that is used to produce electric current is called a source of electric current. Cell is a source of electric current and the combination of cells is called battery, which is the source for produce electricity. Now I come to the point electric cells. Electric cells convert chemical energy into electrical energy and they act as a source of electricity. Cell is the device which is used to produce electricity. The chemicals stored in an electrical cell produce electricity. When these chemicals are used up completely, the electric cell stop working and said to be dead. So students, electricity is a flow of electrons around a circuit. By seeing this diagram, you will see the flow of current. And now I will tell you electric circuit. Electric circuit can be defined as a complete pathway for the flow of electric current. By seeing this diagram, you all have clear about electric circuit. In this diagram, electrons move from negative terminal of cell to bulb. It is opposite to current. Electric circuit is of two types. One is called open circuit and next is called closed circuit. In open circuit, switch is open, so no electricity is passed through this conducting material. And in closed circuit, key is closed or switch is closed. So we can say that the electric current pass through this conducting wire to bulb. So bulb glow. And in these diagrams, this is the diagram for open key or open switch in which current does not flow. And in this diagram, key is closed, so current flow from conducting wire. So students, this is the whole diagram for electric circuit, or these are the different parts of electric circuit. This is cell, switch, electric bulb and a conducting wire which connect all these sources of cell. After completion the topic of electric circuit, now students, I will introduce you with new terms, conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials that allow electric current to pass through it, and insulators are the material that do not allow electric current to pass through it. These are the terms conductors and insulators. Now I will tell you some examples of insulators and conductors. So students, these are the examples for conductors like metals, water, human body, metals like aluminium, iron, etc. In continuation of this topic, copper is the most popular material used for wires because it is a very good conductor of electrical current and it is fairly inexpensive when compared to gold and silver. So this is the conducting material, and this is the example of insulators. It means these gloves which protect the person from electric current, and this holder or tester which is protective measure or insulating material, and this is the plastic covering which hold the copper wire is also an insulator. Students, this is a symbol for the term danger which have been written on electrical appliances in your houses. So some keywords which are related to this danger sign: do not touch electric gadgets or sockets with wet hands, do not touch electric wires with bare hands, do not insert too many switches in one single point which causes sparking.